Are mining trucks the biggest and baddest trucks on the planet? You betcha. Because mining trucks are so badass, we thought it'd be a good idea to cover the biggest ones to date. So, without further delay, the BelAZ 75600. Designed by Belarusian Auto Works, the BelAZ 75600 has a payload capacity of 360 tons, and it uses an MTU 20V4000 engine that has 20 cylinders, and it automatically cleans itself thanks to a built-in 3-stage filter. The frame, well, it's constructed out of thick steel, allowing it to safely work under extreme conditions while protecting the driver from loose debris. The BelAZ 75600 uses hydrostatic steering and has multiple braking systems: service, parking, retarding, and emergency. As one of the largest mining dump trucks in the world, it incorporates a massive fuel tank, 1,152 gallons. Hate to pay that fill-up bill, and radial tubeless air tires for smooth transport. The BelAZ 75601. Another mining dump truck model by BelAZ, the 75601 has a payload capacity of 320 tons and implements the MTU 20V4000 engine that's built with embedded diagnostic controls. The truck's spacious cabin has an LCD touchscreen drivers use to monitor the bed and guarantee even distribution. The BelAZ 75601 runs on a hydraulic system, and it improves the truck's performance when dumping, steering, and braking. The BelAZ 75710, believed to have one of the largest payload capacities in the world. The BelAZ 75710 stands at a height of 26 feet and holds up to 496 tons. It first hit the market in 2013 and impressed a lot of people with its intricate design. To ensure it can hold and transfer heavy amounts of material, this truck is built with a thick steel frame and 2 diesel engines that each have 16 cylinders with a combined horsepower of 4,600 horses. Because it has to transport extremely heavy material, the bed's designed to keep the load evenly distributed. It can do this thanks to a unique rear axle system that allows the driver to adjust it so the weight's level. The front and back of the truck also has 4 tires on each side to keep the weight balanced. Now, before we continue, be sure to crush the like button and subscribe to E&C to receive more heavy equipment guides. We do appreciate your support. BelAZ MT6300 AC. The BelAZ MT6300 AC, previously known as the Terex unit rig MT6300 AC, can hold up to 363 tons. It's been manufactured since 2008 and uses the MTU DDC 20V4000 engine that runs on 3,750 horsepower. This engine also connects to an AC electric alternator that helps the truck's rear axles rotate better. This off-highway dump truck has a maximum speed of 40 miles per hour. The Caterpillar 797F. This mining dump truck by Caterpillar is prided by the company for being a durable yet low-maintenance vehicle. As the third version in the Caterpillar 797 series, the Caterpillar 797F features advanced technology that encourages maximum power and sustainability. Some of the technology you'll find in this model: a 7-speed shift transmission, detection cameras, and road analysis sensors. The CAT 797F runs on a CAT 175-20 engine with a gross horsepower of over 4,000 horses. Thanks to this sturdy engine, this truck is a bit faster than similar vehicles and can move along at about 42 miles per hour. The T284. Created in 2004 by the Liebherr mining equipment company, the Liebherr T284 is thought to be one of the world's most lightweight mining dump trucks at 474,000 pounds. It has an impressive payload capacity, though, of 363 tons and runs on a 4,000 horsepower engine. Its bed has a dumping angle of 49 degrees. To help drivers easily operate this truck, it's built with a customized Liebherr Litronic Plus AC system that keeps the vehicle moving regardless of the load. The Liebherr T284 has a maximum speed of 33.6 miles per hour. The Komatsu 960E-1. The Komatsu 960E-1 has been in production since 2008, and it's one of the company's largest vehicles. In fact, it's so big it's constructed piece by piece at the mining site. Weighing over 1,270,000 pounds, this Komatsu 960E-1 will hold up to 360 tons and operates up to 40 miles per hour. It uses the Komatsu SSDA 18V170 4-cycle engine with a gross horsepower of 3,500 horses. To keep it durable, the truck is equipped with an almost unbreakable steel casting, especially near its rear body pivot. Other features built into the vehicle include oil-cooled brakes, tinted glass, a thermostatic fan clutch, and propel speed control. Hitachi EH5000 AC3. The Hitachi EH5000 AC3 was first introduced in 2012. It weighs a whopping 1,102,311 pounds and has a payload capacity of 326 tons. To help it move with ease, it's equipped with a Cummins QSK TTA60 CE diesel engine. Now, despite its large size, the engine doesn't require a lot of fuel, making it surprisingly energy efficient. Hitachi has furnished this massive dump truck with its intricate IGBT AC drive system that has a slip-slide control setting, allowing you to monitor the traction and activate an anti-lock brake component if necessary. Other features include electric braking and side skid control. To prevent overheating, the Hitachi EH5000 AC3 has a water pump that keeps the engine at a cool temperature and a wheel motor blower to make sure the tires rotate well. We'd like to thank our video sponsor. Check out D. Baradini Heavy Haul, based out of Orlando, Florida. You can give them a call at 321-299-5993. Stay tuned for more heavy equipment guides. Also, you can view our complete list of guides at eandcmag.com. That's eandcmag.com.